At Unicco, we are more than a company focused on the production and marketing of belts and leather goods. We are the largest and most experienced belt manufacturers in Mexico, and we have been market leaders for over 30 years. We are capable of facing new challenges, and we know how to exceed our clients' expectations. Since our humble beginnings in a small workshop that produced 200 belts a month for small boutiques, Unicco has managed to consolidate itself as one of the 500 best companies in Mexico, according to Expansión magazine, and we are among the 999 most prominent SMBAs in the country. Our more than 30 years of experience, a capacity of over 300,000 pieces a month, and an overall production of millions of pieces validate us as an efficient manufacturer for clients all over the world, working with the best suppliers on a national and international level. Our strategic location in Mexico City, a few-hour drive from the border with the United States, allows us to offer better prices and delivery times, resulting in an invaluable advantage over our international competitors, exporting our products to Latin America, the US, and Canada. We have state-of-the-art technology and facilities to manufacture best quality belts, wallets, accessories for pets, and sandals according to the specific requirements of our clients regarding models, materials, and technical specifications requested by the most demanding clients, having won the confidence of the most recognized retail chains with international certifications. Our years of experience managing licenses and our deep passion for quality, backed by our state-of-the-art lab, have allowed us to successfully approve more than 30 international audits. We offer experience, great quality, low prices, and excellent customer service. We are Unicco.